Okay guys, in today's class we'll be learning tags. In today's class we'll be learning tags. So since we'll be learning tags, the title of our documents will be HTML tags explained. HTML tags explained. So our topic will be HTML tags explained. So don't forget, the visible part of our HTML skeleton is the body, and inside here we'll be introducing the head tag. The header 1 tag. And what does this header 1 tag mean? It means the main topic. The main topic. Here I'll write how HTML tags work. How HTML tags work. How do they work? Writing how HTML tags work. Here we'll be introducing another tag called paragraph. Now the paragraph tag groups words together. Paragraph tag. And inside I'll be introducing the tag called strong. The strong tags makes the text to be bold. The text we're about to write, it makes the text to be bold. That's the work of the strong tag. And what are we making strong? Then I'll be introducing the span tag. The span tag, what does it do? It groups elements so it can be styled. So we'll be grouping some content and we'll be styling it. We'll be styling it with the color blue. About to style with the color blue. What am I styling? I'm styling the paragraph tag, and in order for the paragraph tag to be visible there, introduce the sign T, you can see, then introduce P, which stands for paragraph, GT. It will make our paragraph tag to be visible here. So style, I didn't, the color, supposed to be color. Blue, so we can see it's working. Here we write tag. So outside this strong, I'll be introducing a break tag. Means I want to change the line, and the break tag doesn't have a closing tag because it's an empty tag. Here we'll say that this is a paragraph tag, and what does it do? It groups sentences. Together. It groups sentences together. I'll be introducing another break tag. Another break tag. And in this break tag, what will I put? I'll say, okay, let me introduce an emphasis tag in this break tag. An emphasis tag. It's just to stress on the word, kind of like emphasize on the word to show the importance of the word. And inside there, I'll be writing everything you're reading right now. Everything you are reading right now is inside is inside the, okay, let's remove inside, is right now is stressed, is inside the paragraph, okay, it's inside A. Let's introduce the sign, then writing it. P, which stands for paragraph, okay, paragraph tag, full stop. Let's see. Wow, good, it's working very fine. So we introduce the horizontal row. What does it do? Horizontal row, it's an open tag, it creates a line. You can see this is what it does, and under it I'm going to be pasting this. So the number 2 tag we'll be talking about is the break tag. So because we're talking about the break tag, we're going to change this from P to break. Wherever it appears, P to break, we're changing it to the break, Then we'll also change the sentence here. And what are we going to say? This forces a line break. You can see here is another break line, another break tag. So I'll be removing this. This forces a line break. Then I'll see how this sentence okay, see how this sentence, let's break it. This sentence now, you see how it starts on a new line because of this break tag I'm introducing. Started on a new line due to the break tag I'm introducing. You see how the sentence started on a new line because of the break tag I introduced. Started on a new line. Okay, let's go. That's break tag working. Okay, let's see. Very fine. So before we end the class, let's talk about the strong tag. We already know this. I'll just be changing some things. I'll still paste the tag again. So here, since we're talking about the break tag, is the number 3 tag we'll be talking about. So the strong tag, we'll change this from P to strong wherever P exists, because currently we're talking on the strong tag, so we'll change it from P to strong. So we're going to change this statement. So let's say this makes text this makes text. What makes text? We'll introduce what makes text, which is the strong tag. The strong tag, it makes text to be bold, so introduce it. This makes text the strong tag. So the content will be writing, the rest of the content will be writing it inside a strong tag. So the effect of a strong tag will be seen bold and important. This makes text to be bold and important. Let's see the outcome. You can see, because I introduced the tag here, you can see what's happening here. This makes text bold. This makes text bold and important. So what again are we going to delete? We'll delete these ones here, bold and important. I'll be removing this emphasis tag, and just the break tag will be left. I'll be removing. Then we'll say browsers and Google treat it as important info. Browsers and Google treats it as important info stuff. So every other thing here will be deleted. So treat it as an important info. So let's see, you can see the strong tag. This makes text. Don't forget I introduced a strong tag here, which is making this to be bold. Browsers and Google treat it as important info. Here, this is a line break. I introduced a break line here. See how this content break I introduced here. So thank you guys for staying till this time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget, we'll be learning some other tags like the emphasis tag, which we are talking about here. I've not treated, so don't miss the class. We'll be learning the span tag. Don't miss the class. See you in the next class.